Okay, KGB. Today is a science class, and now we want to do a little experiment, and you must to prepare small bottle, water, salt, red color, sodium carbonate or baking powder. So you can choose one of them to use for this experiment, but today I use sodium carbonate for use to do experiment today. Vinegar, spoon, origami paper. Why I use origami paper in here? I want to cover it bottle for the volcano, same like a real, but you can use sands to make a volcano shapes like a mountain. But in here today I use origami paper in here. Large plate. Okay, now let's see what we must to do for a volcano experiment today. So for the first, take the large plate and then take the small bottle, put inside the plate like this. With this small bottle, you can use another small bottle like Yakult bottle and another small bottle at your home. And then in here, after that, I put the cover like a mountain for this volcano like this. So if you want to make same like me, ask to your parents to help you or make this one. And after that, put the sodium bicarbonate inside the small bottle. It's around 2 spoons. Okay guys, I already put inside the sodium bicarbonate inside the bottle like this, but you must do carefully. Okay, after that, next is you must to put this soap inside the small bottle around 2 spoons. Okay, after done, I put the soap. I put again the cover of a mountain for a volcano like this, and then after that, take the water and then take the red color, put inside the red color in the water, around 2 spoons for the color, for the red color, and then mix. Okay guys, done. I put the color inside the water, and then don't forget mix the color like this. And after done, so next put the color in inside the small bottle around 2 spoons. Okay, here we go guys. I already put the red color inside the small bottle like this, and then after that put the vinegar inside the small bottle. And then what next will become, you can see it. Okay, I give the vinegar inside the small bottle, and here we go. Wow, look, it kinda called volcano. And guys, let's try at your home like this as your experiment today. Good luck!